Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lentil soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of brown or green lentils rinsed well, along with 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely diced. Don't forget 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Finally, have 6 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and your favorite spices ready to go. Now, let's build that delicious flavor base. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your diced onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become nicely softened. Then, stir in your minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it releases its wonderful fragrance. Next, we combine everything for the main simmer. Add the rinsed lentils, the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and all 6 cups of vegetable broth to your pot. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and a bay leaf for depth. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are perfectly tender. Finally, for the finishing touches and serving, remember to carefully remove the bay leaf from the soup before you serve it. Now is the perfect time to season your delicious creation with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra touch, garnish each warm bowl with some fresh chopped parsley or a lovely drizzle of olive oil. Serve your hearty lentil soup with some crusty bread and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.